My name is Danny Takao with the Blackmore company, and I'd like to share with you something exciting we've been doing over the last 3 years. Welcome to our air tray technologies, allowing you to grow plants without any plastic pots. One of the benefits of the Ellepot is we can reduce the amount of soil needed to present a plant. We can create better root systems so the consumer will have a better take in the garden. But the biggest benefit to the grower is we can reduce costs on production with labor and automation. We know the appearance of the Ellepot is not consumer friendly, so we've teamed up with the leading European packaging company to create these sleeves for us. So we've come with this simple and sleek solution to address the appearance of the Ellepot. This can be custom printed or left generic, and it gets the appearance of the plant material more appealing to the consumer. With this solution, we've reduced the plastic by 95%. If you have any questions, please reach out to us with any comments or concerns. Welcome to the future of growing healthy plants.